What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy King, man, aka Mid. I already know, as you can see, yeah, changed the whole fit. Only because when I recorded the other video, it was supposed to be for yesterday, but we didn't go. So we decided to end up going today. And we got Michaela with me. Michaela. Right now we in DC Zoo. It's nice. Okay, long, it's nice. I remember this. It's nice. Look like one of those stressed out mothers. Yeah. Hey, clothes? So we came all the way down DC. Now the motherfuckers is closed. Well, not closed, but they're not doing no entries. So we couldn't even see no goddamn monkeys, no nothing. I need some napkins. You acting off shine funny. Put the shades on, kid. Put the shades on, shorty. Yeah. Why don't you like the shades? You miserable? That's because you woke up on that neck. That's why. Say hi. Go ahead, give people a little smile. Oh, you not messing with them? Heard. You heard it here first. You're not messing with y'all right now. Because she woke up from that nap. I'm glad that sun is gone right now because it was hot, way too hot. What's wrong with you? But y'all, anyway, but y'all,
we gotta find something else to do.
Like what?
This is a fucking leash.
You about to make her go in this? I ain't even gonna say it. That's one of them leashes you have on the kids when they bad and they can't go but so far. So when you catch them, yank their ass right back. You know what's down this side of DC. We can't go to the goddamn zoo. Yeah, I'm kind of mad.
You wanna Google it? You wanna go see that park?
What park?
The playground at my boyfriend sent to us.
I'm tired of parks.
Well, what do you want to do? There's nothing to do.
We can go to that mall. Yeah. This your jam? What is that? Don't stop now because the camera in your face. Come on, let's drive. You driving, shorty. Alright? Yeah, you driving. So take over. Alright? About to help you out. Oh now, speed racer. Oh yeah, look at the mirrors, looking out. Oh, you say you know how to drive? Are you waiting for us to put the seatbelt on? She said, why are you just looking at us like that? Whoa. Put both hands on the wheel. Both hands. back to the mall. And Kayla is acting out. I don't even think she like me no more. Watch.
You did. You threw up, baby.
Let me see it real quick.
She threw up. Yeah. What is the problem? He's wiping you. What is the problem?
Y'all see what I mean?
Yeah. I'm not going nowhere. I'm right here. It's too fucking hot. Wait a minute, mommy. Wait a second.
Wow, she don't like me no more.
What is the problem? Huh? Look. I'm trying to figure out which one. $8.
You don't like me no more? Hmm? You shook your head. This is why we not friends no more now.
Which one?
The one that. Well, she gonna stop crying. You know I locked it. My bad, I ain't even put it all in your face, shorty. Damn, he can't drive. Huh. Michaela. Huh. So I wanted to talk about how today was on a call, you know, talking about how my college experience was to a couple high school kids. And I really think that went well. Even the girls said I did a good job and everything else like that. But it's like, I like stuff like that because I'm telling people and teaching kids. I won't really call them kids because they kinda my age, but at the same time it's like I'm giving them advice and then telling them what it's gonna be like for college. And I want to really prepare them at least a little bit what they should know, give them a little bit of knowledge. She was also said like I motivated them or got them hyped more, and they started talking about their business and how everything else like that. That low-key touched me, made me happy, because I want to see other people do well. I want to see them succeed and everything else. And I hope, it was this one boy, he wants to do YouTube as well. Or he is doing YouTube as well. And if you're looking at this, like, keep doing that, man. Keep succeeding, don't give up. For any kid, any child watching this, really go for anybody. Just keep doing what you do until you make it to that point. But even when you make it to that point, like, keep succeeding, you feel me? I already know you're gonna get that. But yeah, I had to say that because it touched me a little bit. But I ain't never been to no Westfield Mall in DC. This shit is different. Like, straight. This bitch low key nice right now. Look at all that. I shit all that brown. God dang. Also, Jordan shoes are starting to fail me. I'm starting not to like Jordan shoes at all anymore. Besides, they're not 1s, 12s, and 11s. Did y'all copy? That's what I want. Shit, I'm good. This is ugly. before she even start crying. Let me know in the comments down below what shoes will y'all cop. I want to know what y'all favorite shoe is. You were up today. Like begging. And every time I come near you, you start crying. What's...
And then you drop your fucking pacifier on the fucking floor. Like, what is going on? It's not fucking funny. This shit is not funny.
That's my song. She said, I do what I want whenever I want. Oh. Right here. Right, nigga, I know what I'm talking about. Huh? I didn't even say nothing. They got all these damn toys in here.
I'm fucking over it.
That's my song.
It's 2.6. 3? Yes. What's your name? Michaela. What's your name? Michaela? Hey.
Oh.
Thank you.
Shut the shit out that baby. She shook the shit out of you, Michaela.
Yes, that's how the fuck she do. How would she do that?
Hey, she said, Michaela thought that motherfucker was an earth.
Yo.
Michaela said, what's going on?
Yo, I was like insecure. Didn't you know you're not supposed to check your fucking breathing?
I'm dead. I'm dead. She said, what's your name? Get the shaking the shit out.
Get off of stuff. You are really acting up today. I don't like it. Who's that?
I wonder who she get it from. You. The hell?